Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will be showing you how to make easy handmade Valentine's Day cards. So let's begin with the video. The materials you'll need are 2 8 by 12 centimeters card paper, stationery, glue stick, a palette, some paints. I'm using acrylic paints, an empty container, a paint brush and a double-sided tape. Card 1. First fold the card paper and crease it well. For this card, I'm going to draw some hearts and paint it using different colors. We'll doodle some crinkly curly lines as an outline to these colorful hearts, and also add a straight and horizontal line along with a bow to give a gift-like effect on these hearts. Similarly, I'm going to do the same on the pre-cut red heart using a white pen. Now let's stick this red heart on the card using a double-sided tape and write a wording of your choice. And here your card 1 is ready. Card 2. First, let's fold the card paper and crease it well. For this card, I'm making a heart-shaped hot air balloon and I have pre-cut the elements for the card. So let's doodle on the pre-cut elements using a white pen. I'm also adding the wordings on the yellow paper ribbon. And on the card, we'll draw some clouds and color it. And now let's stick the pre-cut elements onto the card by using a double-sided tape and draw 4 lines to complete the heart-shaped hot air balloon. And here your second card is also ready. And here are your 2 easy handmade Valentine Day cards. Thank you for watching my video till the end. Hope you enjoyed this week's video. Let me know in the comments which card was your favorite. Stay tuned for another video next Friday. Do like my video and share it with those who love craft and art content. Also comment below and subscribe to my channel. See you all in my next video. God bless.